In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV when it keeps freezing. Follow this full troubleshooting guide to get your TV running smoothly again. First, try restarting your TV. Unplug it from the power outlet, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset can fix many freezing issues. If it still freezes, check for software updates. Go to Settings, Support Software Update, then select Update Now. Keeping your TV updated helps prevent bugs. Next, clear the cache by going to Settings, Apps, System Apps, Smart Hub, Clear Cache. This can free up memory and improve performance. If you have external devices connected, unplug them one by one to see if a faulty device is causing the freeze. You can also try a factory reset by going to Settings, General Reset. Remember, this will erase your settings and apps, so only do this if other steps fail. If your TV continues freezing, it may need professional repair. Contact Samsung support for help. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes.